everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a current beauty favorites video. I haven't done a beauty favorites video in a long time, so I wanted to tell you guys my favorite makeup currently. I want to start with lip products because honestly they are what I have the most abundance of. First, I want to start with my Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipsticks. I have 3 of my favorite shades here. These are shades that I really enjoy as of recent. The first 2 are from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collab. The shade Shane, which is this like greeny gunmetal color, and then I Gotta Go, which is this beautiful light bronze. And honestly, when I got the collection, I was like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like them. I love them. Right now I'm wearing I Gotta Go, which is this beautiful bronze. I really love it. And then Shane is just such a unique shade, and I love pairing this with so many looks. I paired it with a look with the mini Controversy palette, which I'll include right now, and I think it was beautiful. The other velour liquid lipstick that I love more than anything is Christmas Cookie. It's my favorite nude lipstick ever. It might actually be my favorite lipstick ever. It is just such a beautiful nude, so that is another favorite. Keeping with liquid lipsticks, I want to talk about the 2 new Sugar Pill liquid lipsticks in the shade Dropout and Dress Code. Oh my god, these are amazing. The formula is amazing. The color is amazing. Dropout is this beautiful green color, and it has sparkle, and the more that you rub your lips together, the more glitter that comes out. It's just so stunning. And then the shade Dress Code is this really gorgeous gray. I absolutely adore it. I think both are very beautiful and unique shades. I'm always down for a unique green or gray, so I love these very much, and the formula is amazing. Sugar Pill lipsticks are actually really great. Lastly, for liquid lipsticks, we have the Melt liquid set lipstick in Mariachi. This is a beautiful purple. The color is what I love about this. The formula, not so much. The formula of this is very patchy, and I can never get it to look 100% perfect, but I will deal with that because of the color. This color is so unique, and if you know a dupe, please let a girl know because it is so beautiful. It's this like purpley color. It is like sheer, like you need to have at least 2 coats, and even then it's still patchy, but it's just a very beautiful purple, and you guys know I love purple. It's my favorite color, so I do really love this one. I have 2 tube lipsticks that I really like. I have one of the Sephora Lip Stories lipsticks, and honestly I was surprised how much I like this. The formula is super creamy, pigmented. I really like it, and I would highly recommend checking it out. Next, I really love the Colorpop Disney collection lipsticks, particularly Ariel. It's my favorite nude tubed lipstick right now. I do really like the Colorpop lip formula. I also really like the Hades lipstick, and also just any nude lipsticks from Colorpop. I've been really enjoying nude lips lately. I want to talk about a lip gloss because lip gloss is my life. One of my favorites right now is the Wet Cherry Gloss. It is my favorite formula. I love the formula so much. It smells so good. Like, I can't even tell you just how good it smells. It smells really good. And the formula is really amazing, and I think it lasts long, especially for a gloss. It is expensive, but I think if you get like a few shades, it is worth it. I have Disco Cherry here, but really I love all of them. Any of the tinted ones, the clear one, all that, I really like them. And Disco is one of my favorites.
The other gloss that I've been loving is the Shane Dawson and Jeffree. Wow. Dyslexia.
The next gloss that I have is the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, the gloss, Shane Glossin. Amazing name, knew I needed it just for the name, but this one, oh my god. It smells like root beer. If you don't like the scent of root beer, don't get any of the lip products from the Jeffree Star and Shane collab because they smell like root beer. But it's just this clear gloss, and I am down for a clear gloss, like, because if I don't have a lipstick I want to wear, I can just pop on a gloss and I'm good to go. This is very glossy, and I like it. I don't have many other clear glosses, so I really like this one, and the tube is cute. Currently, I have a favorite lip balm, which I know is just kind of random, but I really like the Tarte Lip Quench tinted lip balms. They're so good. I really love these for a day where I just want to have something on my lips that's hydrating, but that isn't like full coverage, and that is definitely this. My favorite shade is Nude. It's really, really good. A face powder that I really like is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now, I am trying to find cruelty-free versions, so if you can find a cruelty-free powder that is really good, blurring, and okay for dry skin, please let me know. But so far, I've just been trying to use up my Maybelline Fit Me, and I like it. It's a little bit drying, but it's like not the worst thing in the world. I also like the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil, and I don't know if NYX is cruelty-free. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. But I just got this sent for free with Chick Advisor to try. I actually really, really like this. I like it because it's just a tinted moisturizer, basically. I can just gently rub it on, and it kind of evens out my skin a bit. It takes away some of the redness because my cheeks naturally flush a lot and I also sweat a lot. So something like this is perfect for me. For blush, I want to talk about first all of the Disney Designer Collection blushes. All of them are really good. I bought all of them actually. I didn't buy all the highlighters. Oh, yes, the highlighter from that collection, so good. Horse and Carriage, oh my god, that is like amazing highlighter. You guys need to go get it. It's affordable. Go get the Horse and Carriage highlighter from the Disney Colorpop collection. It's amazing. But back to the blushes, because this is what I have on hand. I have the shade Enchanted Mirror, which is a Belle's blush, and it comes with a mirror. Like, thank you. And the packaging is gorgeous. I love the pan size of the blushes. All of them are beautiful, and I think they have a blush kind of for everyone. They have a darker one, and then they have lighter ones. I really like the formula though. They blend beautifully. They're not patchy. They're just really good. The blush palette that I really love is the newer Jouer one. I also have the older one that I just bought, and it's just as good. This one, however, comes with a highlighter, and the highlighter is very glittery and chunky. If you don't like that, you won't like this highlighter. But I got this for the blushes because the blushes are absolutely stunning in this palette. The formula is really great too. The price, it's like, Jouer's kind of a little bit expensive, but if you can get this on sale, then it's not bad. Lastly, for cheeks, I want to talk about the Jeffree Star Extreme Frost. Now, y'all should have known this was coming, and I'm sorry to your wallets, but you guys, these are amazing. I am wearing them today all over my face. They're just the most pigmented, beautiful highlighters ever, and I highly, highly, highly recommend them. I won't talk about them too much because I have done separate videos on these already, but I love them all. There are 3 shades currently. I just recommend getting one to try before getting all 3, just because of the fact that these retail for $50 US. Yeah. Expensive, but honestly, in my opinion, worth the price. Lastly, thank God, I want to talk about eyeshadow palettes. Now, right now, I have been loving this Frozen Elsa palette out of the 2.
Why is there hair dye? Ugh, hold on. I haven't even used purple hair dye, so I don't know why there's purple hair dye on it, but whatever. Okay.
Can we talk about the Colorpop has been doing cardboard packaging, and I stand that. Like, I want less plastic, so thank you. I prefer the cardboard. While yes, the plastic does look nice, cardboard also photographs better. The Elsa palette is just, honestly, is so stunning. I love Frozen. Frozen is one of my favorite Disney movies, and when I went and saw the second one, it was so good. I really, really enjoyed it. The packaging is cute. You can see where I have purple hair dye there for some reason. And then when you open it, it does come with a mirror. Hallelujah. These shades are beautiful. It does come with a glitter. If you don't like that, you know, ignore it. I really like it. The blue is patchy, but on the lower lash line, it works really good, which is why I like it. And then all the other shades I think are so stunning and they work so well. I did do a look with this, which I'll insert right now. The other palette that I really like is the Lilac You A Lot palette, which is fitting. Of course, it's purple. When is it ever not a purple palette on this channel? If you guys can recommend any eyeshadow palettes you think I need to try down below, I have a ton, but I want to see if you guys think there's something that I need to try out. These shades are just stunning, and I absolutely adore this palette. That was my favorites. Holy, we finally got through it. Actually, no, I lied. I'm not done. Damn. Lastly, and I promise it's lastly this time, we have the Kylie, oh, what the hell is this called? It's like the sequin. We have the Kylie sequin glass holiday one, and I see what you mean, and I love this, and I hate myself for loving it a little bit. The most stunning, like, thing ever. You can blend it out, and it's more sheer, but honestly, it is so stunning. Like, I can't even capture on video how good it is. It is stunning. I love it so much. I love putting it on the inner corner. I just hit my nose. I love putting it on the inner corner, all over the lid. This is just beautiful, and I highly recommend if you can get your hands on it, get it, because it's really good, and the formula is great. I kind of hope she comes out with like a purple one, because I would buy that. Okay, this time we are actually done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make holy, I cannot talk. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. First off, I want to start